Hi, today I'm going to show you how to install Rhino Linux OS. This Ubuntu-based rolling release distribution offers a unique and refreshing experience for those seeking the latest software updates and a stable desktop environment. Let's take a closer look at what sets Rhino Linux apart from other distributions and explore why it has garnered attention within the Linux community. One of the standout features of Rhino Linux is its custom desktop environment called Unicorn. Based on the lightweight and reliable XFCE desktop environment, Unicorn has been carefully designed to provide users with a visually pleasing and intuitive interface. While maintaining the stability and functionality of XFCE, the Rhino Linux team has added their own touch to create a unique desktop experience. The XFCE-based desktop offers a visually pleasing theme that is sure to catch the eye. The desktop layout includes a floating dock, plank, positioned on the middle left side of the screen, providing easy access to frequently used applications. At the top of the screen, a clean and minimalistic top bar enhances the overall aesthetic. To further enhance the user experience, Rhino Linux incorporates several additional features. SV Dashboard, a full-screen desktop switcher, allows users to navigate between workspaces effortlessly. The application grid provides a dedicated space for launching applications, while OLauncher offers a lightweight and highly customizable application launcher. These additions contribute to a seamless and efficient workflow within the Unicorn desktop. Installing Rhino Linux is a straightforward process thanks to the widely used and reliable Calamares installer. Calamares provides a user-friendly graphical interface that guides users through the installation steps. Disk encryption and swap file support are available, ensuring the security and performance of the system. During the installation, users have the option to choose their preferred file system, with ext4 being the default choice. Manual partitioning is also available for those who prefer more control over their system setup. Once the installation is complete, users are greeted with a fully functional Rhino Linux environment. Managing software and system updates is made convenient with Rhino Linux's package management tools. Packstall, the core package manager, allows users to search, install, remove, and update packages from various sources, including native deb repositories, Packstall itself, FlatHub, and SnapStore. Rhino Linux also features the Rhino Package Manager, RPK, which combines apt, Packstall, Flatpak, and Snap into a unified command line interface. This versatility streamlines the software management process, offers flexibility to users. See you next video, and now some music.